The big turning point for me came when I stopped thinking of memecoins as quick flips for fast profits and started treating them like real projects that deserve serious attention and consistent work. That mindset shift changed everything about my approach. These days, I focus mostly on new launches. Like most people, my first proper experience was with Pump Fun. That's where the real movement starts. But the challenge is how crowded it's become. Just being active there isn't enough. Even with a plan, luck has such a big influence that losing is far more common than winning. After spending time in that chaos, I realized I needed something with more stability, which is when I found Raydium. Raydium has a much cleaner setup. It's structured, steady, and built for long-term growth rather than instant flips. Unlike Pump Fun, where new tokens drop non-stop, Raydium takes a slower, more deliberate pace. With only a few launches every minute, your project actually gets the space to grow and catch attention. After trying various setups, I landed on SplixFun, a dependable way to launch on Raydium without all the headaches. The platform takes care of the heavy lifting, so you don't need to touch any code or wrestle with technical details. Launching a coin is literally just a few clicks and a few minutes. Then it's live. If you launch a memecoin without a logo, you're already starting behind. The logo is your first impression. If it doesn't pop, folks won't give your project a second look. Go for something fun and bold. An easy shortcut is to pull ideas from trending memes. In this walkthrough, I'm using Xbox because it's been all over the internet lately, making it perfect meme material. Before moving on, make sure to resize your image to 128 by 128 and download it. The setup on SplixFun is super simple. Connect your wallet, approve the prompt, and you're basically there. You'll need 4 key pieces: a name, a ticker, and your logo. After you fill those options, press Next. Now, you'll see the tokenomics screen. It's all pre-configured and optimized for you, so there's no need to change anything. Also, you can add a short description. I will write something simple like, Xbox is now a meme coin. And then press Next. Finally, link your social media accounts to add credibility if you have them. But honestly, I never link any links because I don't have communities, so let's skip it this time too. One of the biggest trust signals comes from your Revoke authority settings. Think of them as locks that keep the project safe. Revoke freeze prevents anyone from stopping trading. Revoke mint guarantees no extra tokens can be created. Revoke update blocks future contract changes, even from you. Enabling all 3 before launch builds massive credibility. As soon as you click launch and approve the wallet request, your token goes live. Open SolScan immediately to double-check the details and ensure everything looks professional. Now only one step is left. Its liquidity is what allows people to actually buy and sell your token. After launching on SplixFun, just press Manage Liquidity button and it will redirect us to Manage Liquidity window. First of all, check if your wallet connects in the top right, then select your token from top field. If it's not selected it automatically, then we need to add amount token A, which is our token supply. I recommend to set it to 900 million tokens from a 1 billion total supply. So let's just press 90% button. Then we need to add amount token B, which is Solana that we're putting in our token liquidity. More Solana, you put more money you make. So I always press max on this one. And also, you can't lose this funds. They always secured and 100% able to refund. Once all fields filled, we need to press Create Pool button, and now token is live. We need to track our token chart to see how much money we make, so let's press View on Raydium button to see the chart. Now we can see our chart. Initial volume often comes from automated bots, so expect rapid fluctuations. Also, keep the Raydium Liquidity tab open to track your stake, noting that your position typically takes 10 to 15 minutes to appear in the interface after the launch. This is also the place to keep an eye on your profits before you make any withdrawals. Don't be alarmed. Take a look at this time lapse of the token launch. While nothing is guaranteed, patterns form quickly, giving you a sense of the market flow. Bots are active immediately, and every group of buyers pushes up trading volume, liquidity, and market cap. Your profits are tied to liquidity, so monitoring your position on Raydium is key. Once it appears there, that's your signal, and I'll walk you through the next steps. Here we are at the final stage. To finalize, go to the Raydium Liquidity tab, select your LP position, and click the minus symbol. Set the slider to 100% to prepare a full withdrawal. Ignore the token counts and focus on the SOL value shown at the bottom. Once it matches your target, hit Remove Liquidity and approve the wallet prompt. Your SOL earnings will move instantly from the contract back into your personal wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the SOL will move instantly from the Raydium smart contract back into your personal wallet. Refresh your wallet balance to see the final results of the launch. Always remember that this process is high risk. While the steps above show how to navigate the technical side of SplixFun and Raydium, market conditions can change in seconds. Stick to the educational nature of this guide and always trade responsibly.